Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Tejasvi and today's video is based on this gorgeous makeup look. It is very soft, simple coral look with coral eyes and nude lips, which is perfect for everyday wear. So if you want to know how I got this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so first things first is moisturizer. I'm gonna go in with Aquasoft moisturizer. Now this is a very hydrating moisturizer by the way, and it really moisturizes your skin very well and it preps your skin completely for the makeup, for the base you're gonna put on. Now this moisturizer was recommended to be my dermat, so I would suggest you to consult a dermat first if you want to go in with this moisturizer. Okay, so for primer I'm gonna be taking this Miss Claire's Professional Primer and I'll be applying it on my T-zone just to fill in the pores and get a smooth base. Now for foundation, I'm gonna be using this Nykaa Skin Genius foundation and I'm in the shade Warm Sand. This is a medium coverage foundation and it is also buildable. If you are not satisfied with the coverage, you can go ahead with another layer of it. I'm satisfied, so I'm gonna be using a single layer. Now for concealer, I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Conceal and I'm in the shade Pure Beige. Now talking about the concealer, it is just phenomenal. The coverage is awesome and at the same time it really feels light on the skin. Overall, a very good concealer. Now to set my face, I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Fit Me powder and I'm in the shade medium. I'm just gonna apply it on my under eyes just to set the concealer in place and just dab the remaining powder all over my face to set my base. Now I'll dust out the remaining powder from my under eyes with the help of the brush just to get rid of the excess. Okay, so for blush on, I'm gonna be using the Nykaa Get Cheeky Blush Duo and I'm in the shade Brazilian Bombshell. I'm just gonna go very generous with the blush because it's anyways gonna fade away very fast. Now for eyes, I'm gonna be taking the same shade from the blush on kit and apply it all over my eyelid. I'll be also going with the same color on my lower lash line just to give it a definition. Now for lining my waterline, I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild Kajal and I'm in the shade Nude. For lashes, I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Hypercurl Volume Express Mascara. Now as it is a soft coral look, I'm not gonna go in with the liner because I personally don't go in with a liner on soft looks, as well as it looks really bold when we go towards the liner. Now using the same mascara, I'm gonna be setting my brows and then brush them off with a spoolie brush just to get rid of the excess product. Now for lips, I'm gonna go in with Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick, and I'm in the shade Cheerleader, a perfect lipstick for this look.
with the shape of you जानती हो हिंदी में प्यार के कितने अक्षर
Now to set my entire face, I'm gonna be using the Miskless setting spray. So yeah, this is the final result.
कभी कभी आदती वो बिछड़ जाए तो एक सपना लगता है ऐसे में कोई कैसे अपने आंसुओं को बहने से रोके और कैसे कोई सोच ले everything's gonna be okay उर्वशी उर्वशी take it easy उर्वशी उंगली जैसी.
So yeah, this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It is really simple, easy to create, wearable, and requires very minimum products. So it is just a go-to look for various occasions. So yeah, do try this out, and don't forget to tag me if you recreate this look. Do follow me on my social medias. I would leave them in the description box below. Do hit a like and do subscribe before you leave. Meet you in my next video. Until then, bye.